Today I have the RaceMe Ultra in for repair. Let's see if we can fix it. Right here we have the board out. Actually pretty annoyed at the manufacturer here. This is bad design. The only thing keeping this connector onto the board are these SMD pads that will definitely rip off. This is a port. People use it, you know. That port is a big problem. This needs to be through hole. Also, let's find a replacement port that doesn't look good. The one that fell. It's one of these. Yep, found one. Okay, well the soldering job here is complete. All we have to do now is to make sure this thing doesn't fall off. So I'm gonna start off by using some solder mask. Alright, I used a really generous amount here, and instead of putting it into the UV light, I'm just gonna stick it in the sun. Alright, I have it on the hood of my car right now, in the sun, and it's curing. Alright, it's been curing for a few hours now, so let's go and test it. Alright, so I connected it to the car. It's beeping here, so let's turn on the car. Alright, so we connected it here, and it's on. Perfect. All we gotta do is somehow strengthen this port a little bit more. Stop creating them. Now it's been sitting there and, you know, in a warehouse, in a distribution center for a while. Comes a designer, says, I want a cheap part because I want to produce and make money. They send him this part. He designs a PCB board for this, and boom, you have thousands of devices using this crappy port that will break on any board.